Veteran animal workers say it is possibly the worst case of animal hoarding they have ever seen. Nearly 80 dogs rescued from one El Cajon home. 10 News reporter Riel Creighton is at the Humane Society where the animals are being treated.
Oh, this is just one place where those rescued dogs are being brought here. They're getting a full workup. They're being microchipped, vaccinated, and treated for a variety of parasites. The smell just inside this area overwhelming, and there were 78 dogs found inside that house. Equipped with respirators and face masks, rescuers went in. Conditions so foul inside this El Cajon home, police say they could only go in for short periods at a time.
A lot of filth, a lot of fecal matter throughout. So they're dealing with that.
Investigators tipped off about the filth-ridden house by someone who noticed the smell reeking out. Inside, they say, deplorable. So many dogs, and they kept finding more. Nearly 80 of them of all types carted out by the dozen. Some of them pregnant, many of them puppies, so young they looked as if they had just been born. Umbilical cords still attached.
Now we're bringing these animals in on top of our regular workload.
Medical triage set up at the San Diego Humane Society. At first look, workers said none of them appeared to be starved. But doctors still trying to assess their health say there are other problems.
Little Lucy here definitely has some skin issues, and she looks like she's pretty red and itchy. So we'll be addressing her issues and the other dogs' issues to make them more comfortable just as soon as we can.
Police said the home declared uninhabitable and will likely have to be demolished thanks to the buildup of contamination, ammonia from urine. The owner working with authorities, police saying he knew he needed help but was overwhelmed.
It's very unfortunate. The owners have been very cooperative with us, but yes, this is a very large rescue.
Riel Creighton, 10 News.